student. Today in this video I am going to talk about one scientific paper which is published by our group, and the journal name is Journal of Molecular Structure. Journal of Molecular Structure is Elsevier journals. So I have chosen the topic of this paper: synthesis, structural characterization, DFT calculations, and molecular docking of a novel quinoline derivatives. टाइटल के फौरन बाद you have to write the name of the author. The name of author is myself, MD Shirazullah Faizi, Nekmi Degi, and Asif Jamal. Then address of the institute: BG Department of Chemistry, Langar Singh College, BRA, Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. Then you have to write the abstract. In abstract, you have to write in concise about your paper. Just like I have written, a novel quinoline derivative, the compound name, was synthesized using a previously reported approach with 80% yield. Single X-ray diffraction was implied for structural characterization, indicating the PQYA in monoclinic and has P to 1 upon N space group. FTIR, UV visible, ESIMS, proton NMR, and carbon 13 NMR spectroscopic technique were used for spectral characterizations. The theoretical studies supporting the experimental results utilize density function theory, in short DFT, with the B3 LYP oblique 6311 GDP basis set. All consequences of the DFT calculations, excellent agreement with the experimental results. The energy gap means the gap between HOMO and LUMO has been explored from the energy of the highest occupied and lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. The molecular electrostatic potential, we called it MEP. M for molecular, E for electrostatic, P for potential. MAP and nonlinear NLO, nonlinear optical response, were also computed and discussed. Hirschfeld surface analysis was employed to discover the several interactions within the molecule. Finally, the Swiss admit was used to check the drug likeness, whereas the compound name was docked with the 2ZCQ receptor using Autodock Vina, and findings were visualized in Discovery Studio. This portion, you have to write in abstract. What you have done in this paper, then you have to discuss about the introductions. In introduction, briefly write history of this compound and utilization of this compound. In introductions, I have written increasing prevalence of drug resistance poses a significant concern for modern society. Microbial infections demonstrate a troubling trend of acquiring resistance to first-line antibiotic treatment, leading to prolonged illness and elevated risk of mortality. इस तरह से एक अच्छा सा पैराग्राफ आप इंट्रोडक्शंस में लिखें. After introductions, what is the technique you have used for your research? Just like in this paper, I use single crystal X-ray study. So I got the crystal structure of this compound. I solved this structure through different uh, software, and then I got the complete structure of this model. So write about the X-ray crystallographic machine, data collections hour, solutions refinement, and final refinement, make the picture. Then I have used FTIR. Then I have used for this characterization Hirschfeld surface analysis. So then I have used admit, adsorptions, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity in silico studies. Always you have to write the scheme, what you have synthesized. So I have synthesized PQYA. So there is a scheme, compound 1, compound 2, reflux to our in methanol, and I got this compound PQVA. Then molecular docking, all procedure, what software you have used, which command you have given. So molecular docking analysis, computational details, like if you are interested in density function theory, you have to write all about the density function. So I have used the ORTIP diagram, a lot of bond angles, bond length, IR stretching. I have done theoretical IR and experimental IR, and then correlations with the theory and experiment, and I found a very good agreements. So this way you can write your finding of your research. Thanks for watching.